Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to search for a friend in Atom on your Steam Deck. So if you're in the game mode, if you go to your picture icon and you go to view your profile and stuff, and you try to add a person under here, well, you won't be able to do that because there's no option to search for it. So this is just this page here. So what we want to do is go on over to the desktop version. So if you look in here, there's game mode. You can only add people by your friend code. You have to type it in. There's no ability to search. So go to Steam, go to Power, go to Switch Desktop, and then this is just going to bring you to the desktop version where you can do that. And if Steam doesn't open up right away, you're going to have to close it down. Sometimes it doesn't load the first time you click it, which is strange. So if I go to my picture, go to my username right here, I should be able to add people through the profile the same way. Otherwise, you can go to your friends and chats. See if I can click this. And then I can go to the little plus icon next to the friends list here, and it'll bring us to this page, which we would have got to anyways through here. So you can go to your friend code, or you can go to try searching for your friend. And type it in there. If this doesn't pop up, I believe you just hit X. There we go, here's the keyboard. You might have to scroll up or down. The keyboard gets in the way, which is really annoying. Type in your friend, let's go hi, enter, press B to get rid of the keyboard. Let's make sure we're in here. Enter. And let's look for anyone with the name hi. Here's a bunch of people who are hi. So you can just look through here. And then you can go to add as friend. So let's add as friend. Okay, so the invite was sent. So we can just tap this. Now if everything's just too small, you can change the UI scaling too, which can be helpful. Just hold down on the desktop, go to configure display. Here's the global scale. Bump this up a little bit, like maybe 150. X out of here, apply it. Then just go to the game mode and switch back over to the desktop mode and it should take effect. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.